Hello everyone, welcome back to Color Eagle channel. This is Tina. Nice to see you all. FESPA 2026 is coming soon, which will be held on the May the 19th till May the 22nd in Barcelona, Spain. And we will be there showing you how these printed socks makes. And we would like to know that how our sock printer works. So are you ready? Let's see the magic together. And FESPA this year is all about personalization and on-demand production. While the traditional sock knitting has the limitation for the high MOQ and also the multiple color issue. That's why we bring our sock printer to show you how the multiple colors could be printed by a printer. And with our sock printer, you just can use one design, one picture, load it up to the software, and click print.
Just within 30 seconds to 1 minute,
you will get a customized socks. Without MOQ request, without limitation for the colors, you will get whatever you want. If you are interested with the customized sock printing with the personalization pen, welcome to FESPA 2026 in Barcelona, Spain. Our booth number is Hall 3, A14. We will be there. See you there.